So how long have I been trading for? How much money did I lose in the process of becoming a trader? How long did it take me to make some money from the markets, and what did I learn in the process? Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to talk about my whole journey as a trader. Now, I'm not saying I'm like a professional trader or like a trading guru or anything like that, but I feel like I'm at the stage now where I am consistently profitable, and I want to talk about how long it took me to get to this stage where I am now, how long I've been trading for, and how you can speed up your process of becoming a profitable trader, because it's one hell of a journey. So there's been countless times where I've been in bed at night, just literally just staring at my ceiling, after taking like a few losses throughout the day, wondering what the hell is going on. So I started trading back in 2017. My mate of mine was trading binary options at the time, and he showed me it, so you know, I give it a go. And if anyone's not aware of binary options, it's pretty much like a minute candle, and you see the price like whipsawing, obviously buying or selling, and at like the last like few seconds the price will go against you and you'll lose. It was like completely manipulated, and I was using this thing called like the martingale strategy. So I'd bet like £10, and then if it lost, I'll double the bet, so it'd be like £20. And before you know it, you've lost like 6 trades in a row, and you're betting like £200 just on that one single trade. Obviously, if you lose that, and then you've got to bet 400, and then you're into like thousands. Absolutely mental. So yeah, looking back now, binary options was absolutely mad. I think it got banned in the UK now. I'm not quite sure about that. Yeah, it was completely manipulated. So after getting stung on binary options, I lost quite a lot of money. I say quite a lot, it's like a few £100s, which is a lot at the time. I give it like a few months, and I was just dabbling through YouTube one day, and I remember seeing this guy with like an Audi R8, obviously probably a scammer, who knows, but I remember him saying he'd done trading, Forex trading. So that's when I started looking into Forex trading, and that was, so I believe that was August 2017. So I opened a demo account in August. I traded that for 5 months, and then I opened a live account on the 1st of January 2018. I put £300 into it. Obviously, like, traded demo for a decent amount of time, so I kind of had a feel for the markets at that point. Obviously, looking back now, I still had absolutely no clue what I was doing really. I could kind of read the candles, but I didn't really have like a strategy in place. I was literally just winging it pretty much. So 1st of January 2018, I started with £300 in a trading account. I think I was risking like £10 a trade or something, so quite quickly got that down to like 200, and then what I'd done is I think I deposited another 800, so that brought it up to like £1,000 in a trading account. And pretty much over these like next 2 years, so obviously the whole of 2018, the whole of 2019, what I'd done is I just kept depositing money into my trading account. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. For some reason I thought if I put more money in, I might be able to make it work. But obviously the more money I had in, the more I lost. So yeah, that didn't really work out too well. So over like the first 2 years, I lost about £20,000. Obviously didn't lose that all in one go. But as the trading account was going down in balance, I just kept depositing money, thinking that I'd figured it out now. So yeah, over the first 2 years, lost about £20,000. So just to add to that, in 2018, I hadn't done any courses or anything like that. I just read up a few things online and pretty much just went from there. So I was quite stubborn. I thought, right, if other people can figure it out, I can definitely just do it by myself, and eventually I'll just be making money. I thought in the first year I'll be making like decent money. In the second year I thought I was going to be a millionaire. And as you know, if you've been on this journey, that's just not realistic. I think everyone starts out thinking, right, this time in 2 years I'm going to be a millionaire making like this money. You go on Google, you type in interest calculator, type in like a few thousand, making 10% compounding every month, and then before you know it, you're into the millions. So in 2019 I bought a Forex course. I think it was about £700. Now I'm not going to mention any of the names for the Forex courses or anything like that. I had quite a lot of information in the course, so I was trading that for like a year, but still I didn't make no money. This was in my second year of trading now. So I bought a course beginning of 2019, traded that for a year, and I still wasn't profitable. Now moving on to 2020, I've done another course. So this was like a subscription base, so paying like a certain amount each month. They were putting out signals as well, and literally didn't make any money whatsoever. I'm sure you're all aware there's so many signal services out there that just completely blagging it and not making any money. So then like 3 or 4 months of doing that subscription based, from what I learned from that, I took it into my own hands and started trying to trade it myself. It was so inconsistent. I'd make a bit of money, lose some, make some, and then lose some more. So after about 6 months of trading that strategy by myself, I figured this just ain't working out, so I jumped onto another course then. So I think that was the start of like 2020. So I'm in my 3rd course now. I've done 2 Forex courses, lost about £20,000, and now I'm into my 3rd course. So I did actually make some money in 2020. I think it was like a few percent over the whole year, but it was my first profitable year, so things were looking good. And then when things really changed was in 2021. I found a course that really suited my personality, doing like pending orders. So I stuck to that, and I've literally been doing that ever since. But also at the same time of doing that 4th course, I started doing a lot of work on myself. So I do like mindful meditations in the morning, so it's a really good thing if you're a trader. It literally calms your mind, so I do it as soon as I wake up in the morning. And you'll just notice yourself when you're trading through the day, you're a lot more self-aware about yourself. So when you're about to slip off or get a bit erratic with your trading, you recognize you're doing that. And another thing that really helps as well is getting on like a gym routine and a really strict diet, so eating really healthy. So when you follow like a strict diet, you say no to that like chocolate or whatever, it gets you in like a state of discipline, so that transfers over to your trading. So I definitely recommend introducing that to your lifestyle, eating really healthy and following like a strict diet. That will start helping you follow the trading rules that you set out for yourself. So 2020 was the start that I started making money with trading, and to this day I'm not sure whether it was a strategy I was doing or whether it's like the self-help stuff that I was doing on myself. So who knows, the person I am today with my mindset, obviously been through like all the losses and all that, if I went back to the other strategies that I tried, probably could make them work, to be honest, because literally like only a small percent of it is strategy based, and the rest of it goes down to you, the way you think, the way you react to certain things. So one thing I'd definitely recommend is finding a simple strategy that suits you, back testing it if it's profitable, take it into the live markets, and then do loads of work on yourself. Start doing your mindful meditation, start following a strict diet, start reading self-help books, get into like the law of attraction, start changing your limiting beliefs, listen to like affirmations as you're asleep. Obviously this bathes into your subconscious mind while you're sleeping. So yeah, it definitely comes down to the individual. Obviously we've all got different personalities, so different strategies are going to suit different people. So that's something that you got to figure out yourself. Once you find a strategy that suits you, start doing the self-help work, and I'm pretty sure you'll be consistently profitable. So moving into 2021, I passed my first FTMO in June of 2021, which was a 50k account. So I ended up scaling up that 50k account pretty much up to 100k with FTMO scaling plan, and I've passed 2 other FTMO 100k accounts since then. So I'm pretty much trading with like 300k now. So yeah, it's been one hell of a journey. Been trading for coming up to like 5 years now if you count like the demo period. Obviously started in August 2017 with a demo account. Now I thought I'd make this video just an insight into my journey. Obviously everyone's going to have a different journey, it's not going to be the same, but I wanted to put this video out of my journey just to show you don't have to be consistently profitable after a year. As most of you are probably aware, like 90% of people lose money in this industry. So what I want to say to you is just take things slow, look at it as like a long-term thing over like the 3 to 5 year period. So yeah, it took me like 5 years to get to where I am now, obviously trading 300k FTMO capital. So I pretty much got the opportunity to make like decent money every single month, but I still feel like I've definitely got a few things to work on. I think it's like a never-ending cycle, to be honest, but I think you've got to take that approach, else you just won't be improving. So you just got to be improving all the time, and there's always certain areas to work on. So with the FTMO live accounts, I went to draw down like 3 or 4 months back along, and obviously that wasn't the strategy, that was based on me. So it just goes to show that I've still got work to do on myself. So yeah, the reason why you're probably not consistently profitable, it's not your strategy that you're trading, it's down to you, and you've probably got some limiting beliefs in your subconscious mind that you believe that money's not easy to make and you should be working hard for your money. So that will transfer over to your trading. You're going to find it that much more harder to make money through the markets. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Nearly 5 years since I've been trading, still not in a Lambo. Yeah, this is just the reality of trading. It's such a hell of a journey. Like, you learn so much about yourself. I feel like I'm a completely different person from what I used to be when I started trading. Like I said, I've learned so much about myself, all the emotions that I've faced. But yeah, keep at it, it will definitely pay off eventually. I wanted to put this video out because there's so much unrealistic expectations within trading. But yeah, if this video can help one person and they take something away from my journey, then this video has been a success. But yeah, I appreciate you watching, guys. Cheers.